I watched the whole show. It was very long, but I enjoyed it, and, I want to see when that won, of course. I wanted to see, let's see. I was happy that, I'm trying to think of who even won. Kate Blanchett, yes. She did a great job.
Heath Ledger.
Oh, Heath Ledger, yes. Wow, this is going terribly. I regret doing this interview. Alright, let's actually get the parties. What are you excited about tonight? Is this your first stop of the night? Are you going to do some other parties? I don't know. I might go to the HBO party, but I'm sorry to tell you that. Oh yeah, that was bad move also. True. I really enjoy the party because it's been fun. I had a great time. The dinner was delightful. I went into a food coma, but I'm having a really nice time. It's been great. Sounds good. Well, thank you.